Hi, good morning. I hope you all remember me. My name is Mr. Alfie. And today I'm back with another interesting activity related to one of the senses. Wait, I will give you a hint. I will surely enjoy this activity with my big ears. Yes, you are right. This activity is related to sense of hearing. Yes.
But before starting this interesting activity, let's all join our hands and close our eyes to observe 2 minutes silence. Now slowly open your eyes.
Come on, let's start with this tin jar activity and see what all things we need.
For this activity we need 2 to 3 tin jars. So here are my tin jars. 1, 2 and 3. Oh look, this tin jar is tall and this tin jar is short. Tall and short. Other than this, we also need little bit of rice, kidney beans and some coins. Now one by one, fill all the tin jars with each of the materials. So I am putting kidney beans in this jar, rice in this jar and coins in this tin jar.
Yay! Now let's start this fun activity.
Now ask your child to pick up one tin jar at a time and shake it. And then guess what's inside this tin jar without opening it. Parents, please note, whenever the child answers, just open the tin jar and show it to them so that they can see and relate to the sound as well. Now I am picking up this tin jar and what will I do? I will shake it. Can you guess what's inside this tin jar? Again, listen carefully. Is it kidney beans? Or is it rice? I guess it's rice. Let me check it. See, it's rice. Now I'm picking up this tin jar and what will I do? I will shake it. Can you guess what's inside this tin jar? I guess it has coins inside it. Do you also think the same? Wait, let me open this tin jar and check it. Oh, it's kidney beans. Now it's turn for this tin jar. And what will we do? We will shake it. Isn't the sound too loud? Can you all guess what's inside this tin jar? Can you all guess what's inside this tin jar? Yes, it has coins. Wait, I will show you. Let me open it. See, it has coins. So the rice makes this sound. The kidney beans make this sound. And the coins make this sound.
Hey, I hope you all all enjoyed this activity and will surely try this activity at home. I will be back with another interesting activity. Till then, bye.